How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you this. Check it out.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is an audio test right here on WhatsApp, just to show you how cool it is to be able to adjust the playback speed of your WhatsApp audios. You can change to 1.5 times or 2 times fast.
This is truly amazing. This is one of the best features WhatsApp has ever implemented, in my opinion, because this can give you so much productivity, especially if you use WhatsApp a lot, if you use it to work, and many other applications where you can just speed up WhatsApp audios. As you can see, we have 3 options. So 1 time, which is just normal speed, 1.5 times, and 2 times faster. Absolutely amazing. So the point of this video is actually show you this in action, and of course not only that, but teach you how to enable this feature right now. As you can see, I'm rocking here an iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is updated to the latest version, but I'm also going to show you that this works for every iPhone. This can work on any iPhone. I have here an iPhone 8, which is not updated to the latest version, and I'm going to show you that it works on this iPhone as well. All right, so all you got to do to enable this is go to your App Store and update it. As you can imagine, this is an update, so this requires you to update your application. So go to the App Store, then you're gonna tap right here on your profile picture. Maybe you don't have a profile picture, but it will be right here at the top right hand corner, and then make sure to scroll down to update. As you can see right there, you have to pull all the way down and see this little circle spinning. And as you do that, the App Store will update and look for new applications that need to be updated. If you haven't updated WhatsApp yet, you will see WhatsApp right here on this first section. So just look up for WhatsApp, and you'll see WhatsApp with an update button. All right. In my case, since I already have updated it today, I'll scroll down a bit more and look for WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, it will say open because, as I said, it has already been updated. And make sure that you tap here on more and check out the version, because the version that has this new feature is 2.21.90. That's the version. All right, it was released today. Today is May the 17th of 2021. All right, so make sure that you have it updated. As soon as that's updated, that's pretty much all you gotta do. You open up WhatsApp and you have this feature enabled. There's no setting, there's no adjusting anything, setting up anything. That's it. It will be on by default. All right. Another interesting thing is some people will maybe say, all right, what iOS version are you running? Is this a beta thing? No, guys, this is good for everyone. So if you go to settings, and if we go to general and about, you'll see that I'm running iOS 14.5. So it's working on any iOS version that's actually compatible with WhatsApp, all right, which is iOS 10. Now I'll just pop out the SIM right here and put it in this guy just to show you that any iPhone can have it. Let's go. So the SIM card is in. As you can see, this is an iPhone 8, a very dirty one. And if we actually go to settings, and then we scroll down to general and about, you'll see that we are running iOS 14.4.1 on this iPhone 8. So this is not the latest version, this is not super updated, and this is not a super updated iPhone. But if we go to WhatsApp, you can see that the new feature is working.
This is a WhatsApp audio test for you to show you that your iPhone does not
2 times,
any iOS
1 time,
in order to
1.5, whatever, just like we saw right here on the 12 Pro Max. So it works the exact same way. One very important thing is, maybe if for some reason you don't get this feature, even after going to the App Store and updating, you don't get this feature, or if you go to the App Store and you don't see the update that I showed you a couple minutes ago, maybe it's a matter of waiting. I don't know if you know about this, but when we have new features launched on big applications like Instagram and WhatsApp, normally they don't send this feature to everybody. They don't make it available to everybody instantly. They drop this feature in packages, if you will. All right. So maybe it's just a matter of waiting, but now you know what to do. You know that you have to update, and you know that that's pretty much it. All you got to do now, if you don't have this feature, is wait. And if you do, you have it. You can start using, you can start taking advantage of this awesome new productivity tool for WhatsApp, right? So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful to you. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also, the subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And last but not least, make sure to hit the comment box and let me know of your feedback. I always love to get your feedback, right? So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in a few days as usual. Bye-bye.